Talofa lava, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we're going to take you along so that you can see behind the scenes of us organizing and setting up for our first Siva Afi in-person class for this term. It's also the biggest number of students that we've had, and it's also our first time renting a venue. So all of our classes were held here at our house, and today we are renting a venue, and so we're excited about moving forward and growing bigger, and making Siva Afi great here in Melbourne. So this morning I was up early, had to print our sign. We love our new logo for Measina Siva Afi. There are some t-shirts, some merch on our website if you're interested in purchasing. Also got some sticky tape because you always need sticky tape. I love lovers, and just about to pack that in a bag before I go pack up all of our Siva Afi sticks, so that people can borrow them. Come along with us. All packed up, all the sticks in the car. It's really cold. So we just signed in to the new venue. I was so scared because it was my first time having to unlock it and I didn't get it properly. But yes, the venue. Everyone's eating. Isn't it beautiful?
My name is Sana and I'm doing some technology. And I don't play any sports.
What? So Siva Afi is finished. I didn't get time to film any of the participants. We had 9 of the 20 show up. 2 said they were sick. So we're really happy with that turnout. It was great to see some students that were with us before COVID come and return to join us again. So we're excited to have more people come. We're now headed to Melbourne Museum to see Logan's Siva Afi installation. We haven't seen it yet, so very excited.
The sharp clang of the metal drums, the blazing ignition of the fire, the spiraling whoosh of the flames, acrobatic tosses of the needle. Made me want to learn to become Siva Afi as well. After returning to Melbourne, I felt isolated, frustrated, bored, practicing Siva Afi by myself. Continue with the time. It means that other people will learn as I do. My name is Legend, and I can see Siva Afi growing. Siva Afi performance. After returning to Melbourne, I felt isolated. I left practicing Siva Afi by myself. Learning online from some of the greatest Siva Afi. Even though it was just me, it was my safe space. My first Siva Afi performance was when I joined Pacific Climate Corridors at the school strike in 2018. The people began to arrive. I was going to perform in front of thousands, as well as millions in my next gig. When the fire was lit, all I could do was concentrate on the heat and the movements. Before I realized it, I was having fun.